unplug before cleaning. And then it says advertisement for, I can't read the rest of that stuff. It's in a foreign language. You could try your hand at it. It won't fit in that bucket. Good, let's just stick it there. Come on, go somewhere. You're wasting my time right now. Thank you. Alright, back to the handle.
So that handle was mounted on it previously?
Yes, it was mounted on the glass. Something with these little clip thingies here. We can unscrew them. See what happens. What happens? They don't want to come out of there, dang it. Why is it all of a sudden wanting to be so uncooperative? Well, darn it. What is my middle name? Dealing with crap. There you go. This one's coming out. See, he ain't being hard to get along with. Look at that. Oh. In there. Now let's go back over to this side and see if we can make this one cooperate a little more. Come on out of there. There you go. Much better. Up. Get that out of there. Got these two little clips that look like they could be stainless steel. They're not aluminum and they're not magnetic, so probably stainless steel. For now, maybe just go in the regular old steel bucket. We got this little piece of handle here, and let's see what's going on with it. It has these little tabs. I think it's this aluminum around the handle, which is plastic. Will probably come right off of there relatively easily once we pry it around enough to make it comply. Could be stainless steel, but probably aluminum. That's probably aluminum. It's not magnetic. It looks aluminum. It feels aluminum as I fold it up. And that means we're going to put it with the aluminum. And this plastic, we're going to put the plastic on. Because we can't make no money off of it. They have a plastic scheme going. Now what we got over here? Disgusting oven. See, the door flops open like that.
You forgot to say hello.
Hello to the world. Looks kind of like we've been taping for a while there, eh?
3 minutes, yeah.
Wow. Hello, 3 minutes late, guys.
3 minutes and 30 seconds, maybe.
Oh, rub it in. Rub it in. You're good for that. How do we get that off of there easily? I don't know. I'd like to get it off there and out of the way. If it would come off of there easily without stabbing myself in the fingers to death. I don't want to break the glass. And I guess we'll just stop with that because it doesn't want to cooperate. Move it around and look at the cabinet. There's no screws on that side. Now you can see it from the front. Nice little computing board in it. Oh, was that the door coming open again? I can bet it was. Is there any safety screws? I don't see any. But it's got these safety things that kept it from getting close to the wall. That's a safety screw, dang on it. Right when I say there is none, there is one. And I guess I could turn this around where you can see it. But taking screws out. There's one, here's one. Those safety screws are going to really, really suck down there because they're hard to get to and they're inside of those protecting plastic things that keep it from getting too close to the wall that I wanted to keep. Now I may not be able to because I may have to destroy them to get in it. Hello, Conan. Conan. What are you doing, kitty? Hanging out down there on the floor.
I can't believe you can make a turkey in that.
Well, it says you can, but I never tried one in one. I'm guessing it would have to be a less than full-grown turkey. Some of these screws don't want to come out. Why is that?
Jeune dindon.
They turn a bit and then it just seem to spin in place. I think it's because they're trying to get out that sheet metal and it's playing around with them. So let's take this here screwdriver and stick it over here like that. Put a little pressure on it. Too bad you can't see what I mean when I said that. Stuck it under the tin and pried out a little bit to put a little tension on the screw. And then it let it come right on out of there. There's one more right here that's stubborn too. Alright, come on. Well, you really stubborn. Always one. Usually it's the last one, so this ain't the last one. So maybe we'll get rid of the troublemaker early on. How's that sound? That sounds good to me. That's good. Well, now it's back working, so it's almost out of there, and there it goes. Troublemaking little thing, you. What? Yeah, what you hauling that, kitty cat? I wonder what it has. Oh, I guess it has safety screws on those plastic things that stick out the back to keep it off the wall. Because idiots would be like, if we take these off, we can get it closer to the wall. And I'm like, no. That's what those things are for, to keep it off the wall. Well, we don't have a screwdriver to fit that, Mama. Just cut them off. Yeah, that's why you need a microwave, not a toaster oven. But then some people, like the guy in that restaurant that I heard about on a video where he took the door off his microwave and jammed it to stay on all the time where you could just stick the food in and take it out when it was done. Didn't need it to start and stop. He always had it running. No door on it. You can just stick the plate in to warm the sandwich up real quick. And over years, he microwaved his hand.
Yeah, I believe it.
If it's a true story.
What the heck?
Yay. That's crazy. Alright, there's a couple more screws that don't want to come out. I'm going to just get them loose and let them hang with it. Oh, look at the crumb mess that's down there. Oh.
I thought you cleaned it out already.
I cleaned it up. Not out. Just up. I don't even know what these screws hold in that I'm taking off out of here. They seem like they go through. They must hold something over there. Come on, guy. Boy. You just don't want to play good, do you? Doesn't play well with others.
He's here to help.
Hello, Conan. Are you coming over to give assistance? What? Give me back my screwdriver, magnet. Oh, maybe take this one out. wicked ones. That's terrible that they're not gonna. Maybe. Are you helping, Conan?
He looked like he was gonna get inside of it.
He does. He'd get inside of it to give him a chance. Let's flip this down like this a moment. Oh, more crumbs are falling out. So we can see.
That's crummy.
Yeah, it is pretty dang crummy. Let's see why these wouldn't come out. I don't know what's holding them in there. What they even holding.
I think he's eating some of the crumbs.
Conan. Don't mess with them. They're disgusting, buddy. Yeah.
Maybe there was some bacon in it or something.
Don't chase them.
It must have been really good.
And if I give him something like that, he'd be like, hey, what do you think you're doing?
Yeah, I don't eat human food.
I don't eat crap like that. I wonder how these legs come off. I don't want to break them yet. Mr. Conan, are you helping? I need my hand back though, buddy. Can't work this screwdriver. And everybody don't want to watch a video of me petting the cat. Although it's probably not no more boring than watching me take a toaster oven apart. Don't say you're boring. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing here. I turned it over to where I could look at these other ones. And then I just poof, sailed right over that. I think there's some kind of star. We may have some kind of star in here. There's a little one there. Oh, that even has a star on it already, but we can't reach it. And our extension won't fit through there either. Dang it. Now what do we do?
We meow. That's what we do.
Conan says meow away.
Yeah. We meow. We meow. We meow. He's saying a little cat prayer.
Alright, this will not reach through there on that, will it? I don't really want to destroy it. Get in from the edge enough. Yes, look at that. Ah, so short. It doesn't matter. He thought it was long enough to do some good, but it's too short to do anybody any good. Come on. Ah, there's the other one. Yay! That went much easier than anticipated. Back in there. Back in there. Back in there. You put 2 safety screws in it that was so short and very, very loose. It's weird. So is this thing having 812 screws in it? I just want to take the power board apart. I don't want to do all this part. The power board's what's pretty. Oh dang it, I put it back too quick. There's another security screw in the bottom. I don't know why. What could be there that's so wonderful? It's the first time I took something like this apart where you have all kind of screws missing out of it and nothing fell off of it yet or came apart or none of the sides give way, nothing. Yeah, it's kind of not doing no good with me here and can't see anything I'm doing, huh? Oh, right at the moment I say that, you move the camera. I could spin the thing around.
That's what we're looking at here. It's upside down.
Oh, darn it. Well.
Caution to ensure continuous protection
Excuse me.
against risk of electric shock. Connect to properly grounded outlet only.
That makes sense.
Attention.
Does that mean don't pull? Oh, go ahead.
No. It's harder to read upside down.
Got one word out.
Household use only.
And that's a safety one too, yep.
Pour on pas.
You have to wait till it's done.
Come wrong.
That one's just spinning.
That one's difficult upside down.
What's so difficult?
Is it spinning or is
This
it?
one's coming out, but the one above it was
Ça
just
tombe dans le bar.
was spinning in place.
Yeah, that's what I said. Ça tombe dans le bar.
I gotta get that other one back with the safety screwdriver to take out those two last screws. Let's see now. This one here was loose, but still not coming out. So I don't know what's on the other side. We'll just try to figure that out in a minute. Let's grab our screwdriver back. See, was it this fitting or a different one? Oh, yep, that one will do. So one safety screw out of there because it was very loose. One here. That was a little tighter, but it's pretty loose too. Alright, now we're getting down to the gritty nitty. Something should come off of there. Somewhere over the rainbow.
Here,
Ma'am?
oh yeah, that was the one
That was just
turning.
spinning. I think
Yeah.
it's done its job, but maybe not. We're gonna find out soon enough. Let's see if we can push on this. We don't want to go that way. A little bit, but not much. Let's see this side. Maybe the feet have screws in them too.
Sorry, guys. Just bear with me here.
What, kitty?
There. Ba-ba-bang.
Not that one. Maybe this one. Let's go see. No, not that one. Maybe this one. Let's go see. Well, maybe. Pretty crowd there somehow. Maybe not. Doesn't matter because I don't think they're in the way. Oh, maybe they are in the way. Yep. There is a screw there somewhere. Weird. Weird. Coming back, Conan? They just did not want this thing to come apart on accident. And he put a screw under the leg to hold the side panel on. What kind of thinking that was. Alright. This thing is just extraordinary, secured, not gonna give it up.
It looks like it's giving way now.
It is just because I'm making it find out that I'm just gonna destroy it. I'm gonna destroy our way
Excellent.
into it. Stop letting it get the best of us. We don't need that. Well, it's definitely nasty. I don't want to take nasty stuff apart.
I think I remember you saying this once before.
Get my tools all dirty and my hands all dirty.
I think it was also a toaster.
I think it was. Gotta stay away from the toaster. But this thing was so big, and it was sitting there by itself, and it has an electronic keyboard. You know, all these stupid reasons is why I had to get it. Da 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 da.
What color?
Well, that side's up. At least this side has the screws right here where you can get to them. This one's bigger for some weird reason. Another one there. Man, it had so many screws in it. It was well built. I'll give them that. It wasn't going to fall off walking down the road. Where's the screw over here at? Why you gotta hide them? What I don't get. Why are they hidden so bad they can't even find the dang things? Was trying not to destroy the legs because I might want to use them again for something. But that side's just not being very cooperative. And I don't want to play with this either, so snip. Finally. A piece of tin. That screw wouldn't come out because it has a nut on the back of it holding the ground wire to the side of the cage. It's a little tiny piece of maybe brass. 3 washers. We're going to let all that go. And this is so dirty. I'm going to put it right in the sink. And wash my greasy hands. Dang it. They so messed up. So many toaster drippings.
Toaster leavings.
Leavings, that's how it goes, yeah. Toaster leavings. Man, you can get fat off all the toaster leavings in this one. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we got it peeled back to there. Can't tell where the screw there. Okay. There it is. Okay. Now, let's see how this. Okay, that's on that one. I think it's okay. Get those 2 dumb things out of the way. Open this up a little bit here. And just all that other stuff just for this bottom 2 to be like hinged.
Oh wow.
Yeah, with pieces of bent over metal stuck through holes. Very hard to reach in there and get up. Almost cut my hand, it feels like. Oh my goodness. Now it's getting to be like a toaster, really crappy.
Maybe just take what you want out of it and leave the rest. Put it back.
Well, yeah, it's all the rest is just junk metal anyhow, but
Yeah.
I just wanted the glass door off of it and all the computer stuff out the side, but for some reason this side over here is not wanting to cooperate either. it's got a motor. That's why these screws wouldn't come out. Is on this motor it has those screws were on. It has nuts on the back of it. Come on up there. Oh, come on. Alright, first of all, go to cutting wires.
Cutting the
Now,
wires.
That makes it a little easier to get this, so we can deal with it. Come on, little motor. My hands is greasy from all the dang turkey drippings and toaster drippings that they had in here. Ah, this is giving me such a hard time. Not even funny. Little old tiny nut that I can't keep from moving. And then I can't turn the dang screw.
We'll be right back.
Uh-oh.